Alright guys, so I've completely taken apart my pedal board today because I want to talk to you about the Pedaltrain 1 pedal board. It is easily the most popular board that I'm constantly seeing out there, and that's for great reason. It's got a classic solid design, and it's really perfect for amateur gigging or professional gigging or studio work, just having all your pedals set up in a nice little place. I used to be one of those guys that have my pedals spread out all over the stage when I first started, and now I've kind of figured out a little bit of organization skills, you could say. But yeah, I really love this thing. As for the design, this one, then there are a lot of Pedaltrain boards for different players, different needs. Some people have tons of pedals. I don't use that many pedals, so this is the size I got, but I think it's a great in-between size. It's a 22-inch by a 12.5-inch design. It's also got this really nice open, all the Pedaltrains have a really nice open slot design, and so it's easy to get your pedals all powered up and hooked up and weave them in and out and under the board, so you can really organize everything to the best of your ability. And it makes it just really easy to organize everything and put zip ties and stuff through. It's got a nice height off the ground. I want to say it's like an inch or so, but it's a perfect angle that makes it really easy when it's facing you to see all your pedals that are on it, and you have nice access to every pedal when your foot is moving from pedal to pedal. You just have nice access throughout the board. All of these come with zip ties. Those are for the underside of the board. So as you can see, I have them all hooked up. These little things, they come with it, so you just essentially just attach them, and then with like a sticky sort of material, and then you zip tie on your cords and everything. So you're going to want to get those organized and everything as well. Also, this is a Voodoo Lab pedal power. This does not come with the Pedaltrain, but they built in an attachment so that you can put your pedal power on there, because otherwise having a pedal board without power, it's just kind of dumb. I would never do that. And then the way to access this is you have a plug in the back, little hole that Pedaltrain is built very geniusly. They have done that, knowing that people are going to need to power their stuff, and so it's a great place to stick your plug through and get everything nice and powered up. So that's it's nice, it's easy to set up, it gives you a lot of room to kind of do it your own way. It also comes with Velcro. So Velcro is, again, really easy to apply this stuff. When you first get it, it's going to be just that solid, like brushed black aluminum frame, just all around, no Velcro on it. But if you really want your pedals to stay on nicely, highly recommend just putting that Velcro on, and it'll stick on there, and it'll really stick on forever. I've never had to change it or anything, and I've taken my pedals on and off a million times, but it's great Velcro. In its entirety, the pedal board is actually very lightweight. I think it's just over 2 pounds, which is awesome. Very easy to carry around. I do have a case with this. The case is about 25 pounds. So, this thing, it's kind of ironic that it's like, oh, this is so lightweight, and then the case is the thing that's super heavy. But if you're just, need to haul this around the stage or whatever, just from room to room, I mean, look, you can just pick that up with one hand, and it is like, it's nothing, And even the pedal power, the Voodoo Labs pedal power, is the thing that's really weighing it down, if anything, right now. But yeah, it's just, really standard, and solid pedal board that, you know, any guitarist should have. Pedaltrain did it right, and they've been doing it right for some time, and I trust them. And you know, they work with other companies as well, like Voodoo Labs and other pedal power manufacturers, to make sure that everything is hooked up nicely, or that you can hook things up nicely, and that the boards will work well with the power supplies. So I would highly recommend picking one of these up. And yeah, have fun rocking. Later.